Hey everyone, what's up? This is Stephen KC Railpan here, and welcome to another model rating video. As you can see, I have some cool things I just recently got. I recently got these possibly since like last week or so. I have decided since as you know, today is the holiday season, because even though it's still not Christmas yet, but it's a perfect time to get started on trying to get into the holiday season, even though and all that. So what I decided to do a collaboration of myself by making a Christmas train. So that way I could probably run around this layout here, or basically on the Christmas tree layout when I get set up the Christmas tree, and then I add some track underneath the tree. So I decided to do a little bit of a collaboration. So here I have a few Bachman stuff. These are all holiday themed. So the first thing I have is this 40-foot boxcar. This is the Claus Candy Cane Company. So there's that. It's a really cool looking boxcar. It's really nice looking. And I believe it has like a sliding door too, because you can see Love the Green on it, and then there's a picture of Santa Claus with the candy canes. Looks really cool. And it's also numbered in the North Pole and Southern, the MP and S, which is basically, I believe it's basically a railroad company that Bachman decided to come up with, just for the holidays. So it's not really a real railroad. So, yeah. And the next up is a 3-dome tank car. This is the Mrs. Claus Spice Cider tank car. Looks really cool. So it's another car, because, even though I'm not really a huge fan of these old style tank cars, because I'm more into like the modern ones, like the ones I currently have. But this is just a little bit for something like a little bit of a holiday collaboration I do. So there's that. So I got these two rolling stocks, and my favorite part is the locomotive. This is actually a really cool locomotive. It's like a Bachman. It's like an 060 tender locomotive with a slope tender. It's really cool. It's it's got the green boiler, red wheels, and all that, and the tender. This is Merry Christmas. So I believe this is the North Pole and Southern. So it's number 25. It's really cool because this is actually one of the first time in a very long time I bought a steam locomotive, because this is actually because these are actually budget friendly. Steam locomotives. They're a little cheaper compared to like others, because I know steam locomotives are very pricey, like highly detailed steam locomotives, like even larger steam locomotives like the Big Boy, UP 4449, ATS 3751, and many other articulated steam locomotives, or even highly detailed ones, they're pretty pricey, and they cost like $400 to like $700. But this one was cheap. It was like I think I got this for about like $102. I purchased all three of these from a website called Train Sets Only. So there's that. I'll probably show you guys. I'll probably do a collaboration, because I have ordered a few more. I'll be definitely be ordering a few more rolling stocks that are Christmas themed. And then once I have enough rolling stock, maybe have at least 7 or 10 pieces of rolling stock, I'll definitely run them on the layout, and then afterwards they will be moved up to the Christmas tree layout sometime in the future. That will be coming in December. So that's basically it. I just want to show you guys a little bit of a sneak peek on something interesting I'm going to be doing. So there's that. So with that being said, I'll expect to do a review of this in a separate video. So, because this will be I believe my first review of a steam locomotive. So yeah. So this is actually really cool, because it also has smoke slide, and it also has like a smoke fluid you can include. So you just need to read the instructions, and then you're good to go. So anyways, that's gonna do for this little quick video. I thought I'd give you guys a little bit of a sneak peek of something I'm planning on doing. I'm hoping to get this done before maybe it's December, so I can get this all ready, and you can see this in operating sessions, or even quick videos like around the Christmas tree. So there's that. So anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you all for watching. See you guys next time. Alright, have a good day, everybody.